Hello friends, welcome to today's video. I just wanted to jump on here really quick and just let you know exactly what we're doing today. As you can see in the title of this video, we're going to be doing laundry today, which really, I don't have a whole lot, but I do need to get, caught up and just kind of get everything done. I have a lot of clothes that need to be hung up to dry after I wash them. And yeah, I just have, the miscellaneous type laundry to do, the things that we tend to just let sit there. I mean, I do anyways. I don't know if I'm alone in this, but there's just things that you tend to not wash and just let sit there until you realize that it really needs to be washed. So I also have a big laundry basket full of mine and my husband's clothes that need to be washed. And yeah, so let's just get on into the laundry motivation. And before we do get into the video, don't forget to go down and hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to go over and follow me on Instagram. That's where you're gonna kind of see more of a day-to-day type stuff. I also tend to announce when a new video has uploaded or is going to be uploaded. You can see sneak peeks of things sometimes. So yeah, I would really recommend you go over and follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram handle right here. And I really would love to have you over there. And also to subscribe here and join my YouTube family. And yeah, let's just get on into the video. Okay, so I don't know if you can really hear me, but I have some items here on my washing machine that needs to have like stain remover put on it. So I am going to do that. But I just wanted to show you the stain remover that I use. It is the OxiClean Max Force. I'm sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. I'm really sorry about that. But this is the OxiClean Max Force laundry stain remover. This stuff is the bomb. I don't use anything else. I really enjoy this. Not sponsored, just really like it. Just thought I would share. But yeah, so I'm going to spray this onto the few items of clothing that need, the few things that need stain remover put on them. Just so that they can soak for just a little bit until I can get them in the washing machine after the washing machine is done here. Alright you guys, I have just started the washer and the dryer. Sorry, it's kind of loud in here. But I didn't push the record button, so I just want to let you know that I just took, as you saw me take the laundry out of the dryer, and I put this stuff in the dryer, and then I put new stuff in the washing machine. So I just want to let you know that I didn't push the button. So I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on.
Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong, and instead and I didn't understand that you are the one. And I can't wait to see you again. Over your skin, you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long, you felt the heat evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the. I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, 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 move like the. Radiate, radiate, radiate. Gravitate, gravitate, gravitate. Innovate, innovate, innovate.
Okay, so I kind of wanted to just show you my hot mess here. But this is the basket I usually put all of my clothes that have to be hung up to dry. So I usually just collect them all, not messily most of the time like this. This is just a hot mess. I just have a lot that needs to be done. And then I usually just do a big load in cold water in the washing machine and then hang them all up. But I just kind of wanted to show you what this is. All of these clothes here have to be hung to dry. I'm not going to do all of them today, just the ones that I wear more on a regular basis. But yeah, that's just what I wanted to show you today. So let's get these into the washing machine.
Imprisoned by fear, just pull me away, pull me away. to me. Will they ever see the light of day? Light of day. I don't know where you are, but I will find you. I will find you. So if you're out there, just run until the edge and fall into me and see where this could end. Make a run right and leave this world behind. Can you hear me? Do you feel me? Wishing that I could run away with you. Imprisoned by fear, just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the light of day? Light of day.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still, I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you
Okay, well unfortunately I did not have enough room on my hangy thing here to hang up the rest of those clothes. So I think I'm going to just hang them in my bathroom instead of on this. I'll just hang them along my shower curtain rod. So I'm gonna do that off camera and get that all done. Okay, so I decided to come back in here into my laundry room for a little bit better lighting. But yeah, I'm just gonna take those clothes and hang them on my shower curtain rod. You know, just hang them up and let them dry there because I don't have enough room on my hang dryer thing. I don't even know what to call it. But I just wanted to say thanks again for sticking around and watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to leave you here. It took me 2 days to film this video. And so I'm done. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!